Good morning, children. This is Aruna Rajputra with today's social studies topic Delhi for class 3 CBSE children. Delhi, the capital of our country, is an important metropolitan city. It is also known as a national capital territory, children. That is, the city Delhi is divided into two parts, Old Delhi and New Delhi. New Delhi was planned by British architect Sir Edwin Lutyens during the British rule. It was built as the capital of India by the British children. Here, history, coming to the history. The city of Delhi is believed to be first built by Pandavas from the famous epic Mahabharata. It was then called Indraprastha. Later, when Delhi came under the rule of Mughals, Shah Jahan, you can see here Shah Jahan rebuilt the city and made it his capital, and he called it Shah Jahanabad. This area is present day Old Delhi. You can see here. When the Britishers ruled India, their capital was city of Calcutta. Present day it is called as Kolkata. However, in the year 1912, King George V decided that the British Empire have a new capital city. It was then that the British architect Sir Edwin Lutyens rebuilt New Delhi adjacent to the Old Delhi. Here you can see the New Delhi, children. Coming to the location, children, Delhi is situated on the bank of river Yamuna. River Yamuna here. On the bank of river Yamuna, Delhi is located, children. It is surrounded by Haryana on three sides and Uttar Pradesh in the east, children. Coming to the climate. This map shows the location of Delhi. Here you can see, children. Coming to the next topic, climate. Delhi has an extreme type of climate. It is very hot in summers with hot winds called Lu blowing in the months of May, June. Winters are very cold. Generally, it rains in July, August and September, children. Next, government. The central government operates from Delhi. Hence, its important offices are located here. The President, Vice President, Prime Minister and other ministers of the central government live in the Delhi. There are two blocks of Central Secretariat which have the main offices of central government. The President lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan, which is the big building with beautiful gardens. The most beautiful garden is Mughal Garden, which is full of flowers in the spring season and open to the public during this period, children. Next, the Parliament, children. The Parliament House is also located in Delhi. The Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha hold their meetings here. The governments of other countries also have offices in Delhi known as embassies or high commissions. Also, the head of the state is the Lieutenant Governor. Most executive powers are vested in the Chief Minister. Coming to the people, clothes, language, festivals, food, etc. People from different states come to Delhi to work and live here. So, Delhi is having people from different states who speak their own language and celebrate their own festivals. It is a cosmopolitan city and is known as Mini India. Many languages spoken here are, main languages spoken here are English, Hindi and Punjabi. Men wear trousers and shirts while women wear salwar kameez, saris, skirts, trousers or jeans. All festivals are celebrated in Delhi, children. Especially the national festivals are celebrated on large scale. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag at Red Fort on 15th August every year. A grand parade is held at Rajpath on the Republic Day. Coming to the places of attraction, children, places of tourist, there are many historical monuments, religious buildings, parks, amusement centers, etc. to visit. Some of the important tourist attractions are Qutub Minar, Jama Masjid, Red Fort, India Gate, Lotus Temple, Jantar Mantar and Nehru Planetarium. Here some of the pictures of tourist attractions are given and they are built by whom also given, children. Red Fort built by Shah Jahan, Qutub Minar built by Qutubuddin Aibak, Jantar Mantar in New Delhi built by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh to predict the movements of the sun, the moon and the planets, children. Here you can see India Gate. It was built in the memory of our brave soldiers who died for the country, and here a flame called Amar Jawan Jyoti is lit here in their memory, children. Some more tourist attractions, children. Jama Masjid, situated in Old Delhi, is one of the biggest mosques in the world. Here you can see Lotus Temple of Baha'i region is an example of modern architecture, children. Here Gurudwara Bangla Sahib, most prominent Sikh Gurudwara in Delhi, children. Other interesting places are Doll Museum, Humayun's Tomb, Lakshmi Narayana Temple, that is Birla Mandir, Lodi Gardens, and Akshardham Temple you can see here, and Samadhi of our great leaders also there, children. Here the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi of Rajghat picture you can see. Also there Pandit Jawaharlal Samadhi is there, is at Shantivan. Coming to the transport. Delhi has a highly efficient transport system. This includes buses that come under the Delhi Transport Corporation and have adopted the eco-friendly CNG as fuel, children. Here you can see DTC bus, Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi Metro you can see. Also Delhi boasts of the Indira Gandhi National Airport, and it's recently inaugurated Terminal 3 also, children. The ultra-modern Delhi Metro Rail claims to carry about 1.5 million travelers in a day in a fast, comfortable and eco-friendly way. Here you can see 2010 Commonwealth Games were held at Delhi. It was huge sporting extravaganza for India and remains unforgettable for the audience as well as the participants. The popular food of Delhi are parathas, chaat, also butter chicken, kebabs, chole bhature and biryani, children. And task for this video is search for the major tourist attractions of Delhi in the word box below, and can you find at least 7, and please comment down below. Thank you all, children. Have a wonderful day.